Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Wi-Fi option in your Carrier AC unit. First, locate the Wi-Fi module on your AC unit, which is typically a small, rectangular component. Next, download the Carrier Home app onto your smartphone or tablet from your device's app store. Before proceeding, make sure your home Wi-Fi network is active and provides a strong, stable signal for a smooth connection process. Now, open the Carrier Home app and either create a new account or log in if you already have one. Follow the clear, step-by-step instructions within the app to add a new device. You will then need to press and hold the Wi-Fi button on your AC unit for approximately 3 to 5 seconds until its indicator light begins to blink. Finally, select your home Wi-Fi network and input the password when prompted by the app. Once connected, you can effortlessly control your Carrier AC from anywhere using the app. Easily adjust the temperature in precise 1-degree increments to your desired comfort level. You can also change the fan speeds, choosing between low, medium, or high settings. Furthermore, set convenient schedules for automatic operation throughout the day, ensuring your home is always comfortable when you need it. The app also allows you to monitor the current room temperature and system status remotely. Beyond basic control, the app offers several advanced features. Explore detailed energy usage reports to help you optimize efficiency and save on utility bills. You'll also receive helpful maintenance alerts and reminders, such as when it's time to change your air filter. If you encounter any connection issues, a simple restart of both your AC unit and your Wi-Fi router often resolves the problem. Always ensure your Carrier Home app is updated to its latest version for the best performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.